Hi guys, Chris with Disney Toy Box here. Today we have the Shopkins vending machine storage tin. And as you see, it comes with two exclusive Shopkins inside. It says the contents are two Shopkins, one storage tin, and one collector's guide. Now before we take this out of the box, I want to take a second to say hi to our subscribers. Hi guys! And if you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to join us here at the Disney Toy Box by hitting that little red subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of our new videos or shout outs or anything special we've got going on here at the Disney Toy Box. So let's take this out of the box and see what we have. And now that we've got it out of the box, we can see that our cute storage tin has got Shopkins all over the front. It's got them on the side. Has them on the back. It says, check out online, shopkinsworld.com. And of course, the Moose from Moose Toys. That's who makes the Shopkins. Let's see what we've got inside. We have our collector's guide, but we get these with all our Shopkins, so we know what this is. It's got all our Shopkins listed that we can get, from dairy and party food and health and beauty. Our frozen section, and of course our limited edition Shopkins. Let's see what we've got on the other side here. We've got, let's start at the top. Shows our guide, so we know if we have a common or a rare or ultra rare or even a special edition. So we have our fruits and vegetables. We have our pantry section. We have our bakery. And there's cheesecake. We've definitely got cheesecake before. Our sweet treats. And here's our little tin areas. It shows us just some little characters that we can get with our Shopkins, which I'm sure we've gotten some of these before. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure we've gotten a few of these. And then here, of course, are our two special edition Shopkins. So let's figure out who these two are. So our first special edition that we got is Creamy Bun Bun. And I don't think we've got a Creamy Bun Bun before. I'll have to go through and look, but boy, that does look pretty creamy there. And this is definitely a special edition because in the flyer that you get, they show this Creamy Bun Bun and this one here. So you see ours is white. Got the different coloring. So that's our first special edition Shopkins. Boy, it just glistens. And our second special edition Shopkins. I believe this is Nutty Butter. We'll have to go look. Oh, I love the colors on these. There's a little spoon in there, and looks like a little celery stick. So this definitely has to be Nutty Butter. Let's see. Let's take a look. Definitely would not be in health foods, huh? It's probably on the back. Pantry. Yep, there we go. Nutty Butter. Let's see what where's the other color? There's the other one too. So those are the two colors for the original Nutty Butters. And you can see ours is a special edition. These are exclusive with the tin. Ah, you can even see peanuts there. Love these, love the color on these. And our storage tin, now we can stock up all of our different Shopkins in there. And we've got a place to show our Shopkins. So I tell you what, let me go grab some of our Shopkins and let's try this out. So now we've loaded our vending machine down with things that should never be in a vending machine, like our baby Shopkins from season 2 and our shoe Shopkins, also season 2. You know, you'd never find shoes in a vending machine, although I'm sure Ashley sure would love to find a shoe vending machine. And here we have our ultra rares from season 2. Matter of fact, those are the only two we've gotten from season 2 so far for the ultra rares and rares. And of course, our 2 exclusives that come with the vending machine. So we're using the vending machine more as a storage tin instead of a vending machine, but it really shows our Shopkins off nicely. Well, that's it for our review of the Shopkins vending machine storage tin. If you like what you saw, hit that little red subscribe button and join us here at the Disney Toy Box. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care, guys.